Going to be doing the two sum problem, which is one of my favorite problem when I was starting lead code. Uh, so the problem is given an array of integers and an integer target, return the indices up to numbers such that they add up to target. All right. So we have an integers array, and then we have a target, and we have to find two numbers, two indices whose corresponding numbers sum up to uh, become the target. How do you approach that? So this is a good place to start your programming algorithms in lead code, because this question is asked frequently in interviews, as well as this is an easy question, so you won't be like spending too much time uh, trying to figure out, but you'll get a good understanding of how to think. So let's see. So there are multiple approaches. First approach, which is the most inefficient one, is for every integer nums, you go and check every other index and see if the two numbers match to the target. So that way you can use two for loops, one from I to n and another from I plus 1 to n, and see if the two numbers match, which is a n square algorithm. You can do slightly better by uh, sorting this nums array. Then you take one element from the left, one element from the right. That's a two-pointer algorithm where you check the sum. If the sum is larger, you decrease the right pointer. If the sum is smaller, you increase the left pointer until you find the target, or the sum is less than target. If the sum is less than target, the number is not there. If the sum is exactly equals to target, you have to return the two numbers. It's slightly better in the sense it's the n log n, and but you can do better. This can be done using ON complexity. So let's see how it's done. The idea is you start from the very first number, and then you use a map to find the target minus number. If it is found, then you immediately return the two indices. Otherwise, you add that number and the index in the map, and then you keep searching. So let's see. First, I'll create a map of integer and integer, where the first integer would be the number itself and the second integer would be the index of that number. Oh, the second approach you cannot do. Okay, yum equals to you have to return the index, so you cannot sort this nums array. That's why you have to use this method. Okay, let's see. For I equals to 0, I is less than dot length. Alright, so what I'll do is num equals to nums I. So I'll check if other number equals to yum dot get target minus num. So the target minus num already exists in this map. That means we already encountered the second half of the number, so we found the number. Otherwise, we just have to add it in the map. So if other is not equals to null, that means we found the number. And these are the two indexes then. Else put num and the index of this current number. Otherwise, null. Alright, let's check if it works. Okay, let's submit it. Yeah, this is the fastest. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.